Hi, my name is Basanio Peters and I'm the founder of Assist to Develop. Right now we're going to go through and show our collaborative workspace. If you're a client and you're looking to hire candidates, which we know can be challenging at times to find the right candidate, we've built in a collaborative workspace to our platform to make it easier. You can conduct virtual interviews with the candidates. You can use this as a collaborative workspace. So if you hire, whether it's a freelance or full-time engineer, they can work remotely and you guys can collaborate in real time. This is also a tool that can be used for video-based proposals. So candidates can send you a playback of their proposal via the collaborative workspace. But let's go ahead and get started. So again, once you log in, you'll see this menu pop up here. You'll have the success team is our name, so that's what's going to show up. And you see the collaborative workspace here, but we're going to go directly into manage jobs and go back to the previous job we were looking at. So again, we're going to click show one to be able to show the candidate that has bid on this, again, sample job. And once you hit collaboration workspace, excuse me, it's going to say, hey, you're going to create a meeting. Do you want to be able to create this meeting now? Yes. So one thing to mention here is that this link will be live for 5 minutes. So you're going to want to communicate with this candidate ahead of time using in our internal messaging system, hey, I'm interested in conducting a meeting with you, virtual interview or whatever the case might be. So just so you guys are on the same page timeline wise. And then from here, you'll see you have the client meeting URL. You are the moderator, and then the candidate is going to be sent a presenter link. So if you enter in just a quick message, let's meet to discuss. Once you hit submit, this goes to their messaging system, and also an email notification will go to the candidate saying, hey, this client is interested in conducting a meeting. So again, once we hit submit here, it will automatically send that message. Like I said, 5 minutes on this link, so please communicate in advance. You can see that the message was sent, and now all we have to do is click on the collaboration. Oops, not that, we don't want that. Link shows up here for go to the meeting. So you select that message and it's going to take you directly to the meeting. And again, part of the reason that we built this into the platform is we understand how frustrating it can be to find top candidates, how difficult it is. So we allow people to use this tool to be able to communicate. So a couple things to mention off the top. You have the ability to share your screen. So if you're using a certain CAD tool, you can pull this up and show, hey, here's the methodology we want to take on this job. Again, if you've already agreed to terms. But then you can also, here the candidate will show up and you can pass control to them and say, hey, show me some examples of the work that you've done and explain to me the steps that you took. Right? So again, kind of power and functionality of the tool. And then also you can share your webcam. You can see we're on the audio portion of the meeting here. Chat menus, so you can have an active chat going on with that candidate as well. This is actually a whiteboard, and it's cool because you can make some pretty rudimentary sketches if you're early on and you're building something that you're not exactly sure what it looks like. It's a bunch of R&D that's being done. It's pretty simple and easy to use. You can freehand sketch as well. But again, part of the reason that we leverage this open source tool is the ability to upload different media types. And let me walk through something with you here pretty quickly. So let's say, for example, we just want to upload a screenshot of this SolidWorks model. Well, by uploading this screenshot, you can make annotations and markups directly on the platform. So you can see it's converting it, and here we are. So now I can actually make call outs and markups, record this as a video just in case the candidate can attend at the same time. And again, you can quickly make simple annotations, say, hey, make change to design or something simple, right? So this gives you that ability to record this and then send it as a link to be played back. So I'll show you an example of this here. This is a recording of a demonstration that I conducted recently. And again, the open source tool allows you to record this playback and have it played for someone if they're on different side of the world and they can't meet with you at the same time. So again, this is walking kind of through the system and the platform. And this is a video that candidates will have the ability to include as a part of their portfolio. So they'll be able to do a 90-second, hey, thanks for taking a look at my resume. Here's some of the work examples that I've done in the past. Hope you like it. Hope I hear from you. And then you, at the same time, as a client looking to hire someone, can include with your job posting a video based, hey, look, this is why you want to work at our company. Here's the things that we do. Here's what we're excited about. We're looking for this type of candidate. So again, this is why we built this into the platform. It makes it so much easier to communicate with candidates. And then when you're done, simply just log out. Yes.